Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can take a screenshot on your PC using the sniping tool. So in my previous videos I showed you guys how you can do this using a keyboard shortcut. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use a sniping tool. So I think sniping is very much simple because every PC comes with a sniping tool. But should in case your PC doesn't have a sniping tool, I think you should hop on your Microsoft store on there and then search for it and then install it. This is how it looks like. So you just need to search for sniping like this if you're on the page. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of here. Good. So now I tap on the new here. Good. So I select the area I want to take a screenshot of. So let's say I want to take a screenshot of only this side. Something like this. You can see I have it here. I can tap on this to copy it and go and paste it anywhere of my choice. So I think let me open WordPad. And let me try to paste it here and see whether you can see it's been pasted here. I'm going to save it. You can also save it as an image if you don't want to copy it. So you tap on file here and you save as, and let's say let me do it first. Snipe. So where are they going to save it? They're going to save it as my downloads. So now let me save it. Let me close it. Let me come to my downloads here. And you're going to find it first snipe. Let me open it. And there's it. So this is how you take a screenshot on your PC using the sniping tool. That's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.